Hello students, welcome back to the video lecture series of indirect taxation. Today we are going to solve problems on value of supply. You can refer the slide for the problem. Admission to True Theatre is rupees 90 per ticket for a Tamil movie as well as for a Hindi movie, plus entertainment tax is 10% on Tamil movie and 20% on other languages. In the month of November, True Theatre sold 2000 tickets of Tamil movie and 1500 tickets of Hindi movie. Find the value of taxable supply of service. Applicable rate of GST is 18% for the Tamil movie tickets and 28% for Hindi movie tickets. Find the GST liability if any. See, in this case, we need to find out statement showing the value of taxable supply of service and GST liability. Statement showing the value of taxable supply and GST liability. Value of taxable services, that is for Tamil movie, working note is there. Rate per ticket is 90 rupees for both the movies, but entertainment tax 10% for Tamil movie and 20% for other languages. 10% into 90 becomes 9, that is 99 is the value of taxable supply, and 90 into 20%, 18 is the total entertainment tax. So 90 plus 18 gives you 108 for in the movie. So value of taxable supply we need to multiply. 2000 tickets were sold in Tamil movie. So 2000 into 99 gives you 1,98,000. 1500 tickets sold for Hindi movie. So 1500 into 108, 1,62,000. So applicable rate of GST for Hindi movie, Tamil movie is 18%, Hindi movie is 28%. So we need to divide it to CGST and SGST. For Tamil movie, 9% and 9% becomes 18%. 9% of 1,98,000 gives you 17,820. And 9% for SGST, that is 9% of 1,98,000 gives you 17,820. So same type for Hindi movie, 28%, 14% plus 14%, 14% for CGST and 14% for SGST. 14% of 1,62,000 gives you 22,680 and 14% of 1,62,000 gives you 22,680. So this is the statement showing the value of taxable supply of service and GST liability. Second question they asked, the government provides subsidy for the benefit of farmers, but it is given to the manufacturer of fertilizers. Will such subsidy form a part of value of supply? Give reason. See, in this case, the buyer of goods does not provide the subsidy, but the government as per the scheme provides it. So therefore, this will not form the part of value of supply, as it is specifically specified that such subsidy provided by the government will not form the part of the value of supply. So that's all. Thank you.